In this video, we're going to talk about the Polycom VoxBox as well as Polycom branded socks. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Neil Fluester, Senior Product Manager here at Polycom, and a big thanks to one of my subscribers over at ScanSource for sending me over these Polycom socks. I love them. Now, we want to talk about the Polycom VoxBox. You've probably seen a video on the internet like this, or like this. You may even have seen this one. Anyway, won't talk about that one. Let's get down into the detail. So Polycom VoxBox, it is a crossover device between a UC conference phone as well as being a great media speaker that you can use if you're a personal user. So what do I mean by that? As a UC conference phone, it's great for those smaller meeting rooms where you would traditionally just walk in with your phone, drop it on the table on speaker, but you want to have a better experience in the meeting room. The VoxBox will pair via Bluetooth and USB to your phone, to a laptop, and give you an enhanced audio capability when doing a UC call. Now, I mentioned the Bluetooth capability. The device itself comes with Bluetooth. It also comes with USB as well. So again, you can pair it up to your iPhone, your Android, your iPad, or you can even pair it up via USB to a tablet or a PC or Mac of your choice, and your favorite UC client, whether that be Skype for Business or any other UC client out there. Now let's talk about the audio I/O on the VoxBox, because this is where the VoxBox really shines compared to our competition. We've included 4 MEMS mics on the VoxBox, which gives it a full 360 degrees pickup range. So it doesn't matter where you are in that meeting room, you will be heard on the conference call. The great thing about having those 4 mics in there is the fact that we have a really wide pickup range. So the VoxBox can go into a room that's 20 by 20, that's feet. For the metric viewers, that's about 4 meters, I think, roughly 4 or 5 meters. In pickup range either direction, it's 10 foot in any direction from the VoxBox. So again, that's about 2.5, 3 meters for the metric European viewers of the video. So really wide pickup range from the mics, and so for such a small package, it really can be installed into some quite big meeting rooms when enabling with, say, bring your own device, mobile and desktop applications. Now the other thing that those 4 MEMS mics allow us to do is that we can include the noise block technology that's famous on all of our peripherals. And if you haven't seen the great noise block demos, I'll link one up in the card in the top right hand corner, so check that out. But essentially what noise block does is allows us to differentiate the human speaking voice from background noise, so things like rustling papers, typing on keyboards, and things like that. So with VoxBox, noise block is standard, and again, it works whether you're just making a regular telephone call via Bluetooth on your mobile, or whether you're pairing it up to a UC client via Bluetooth or USB on your laptop. Now let's talk about the USB. The USB is what really kind of differentiates the product. So the USB connection on the VoxBox has these 2 holes either side. Now these are screw holes. There is a cable available with some security star screws that screws in the back of this, and then you can loop it around the table leg with these security loops and put a padlock around it or loop the cable through it. So really securing the device in a meeting room, because clearly it's a nice device that people will want to have and will want to use, and if you were to leave it unattended in a meeting room, it will go walkies. So the security screw and the security cable is great, as I say, if you want to deploy it into as a fixed device in a meeting room to enable bring your own device. The other great thing about the VoxBox is its audio I/O clarity. So the speaker on the VoxBox, as I look aside to just double check, 180 Hertz from the low end frequencies right the way up to 14 kilohertz, so a really wide band of audio range from the actual speaker. The microphone as well is pretty special. Most of the competition are only doing 7 kilohertz. We are doing right the way up to 11 kilohertz audio pickup from those 4 microphones on here. And again, we're going all the way down to 100 hertz for the microphone frequency response on the VoxBox. So picking up the full vocal range or the full voice range when you're on a call and you want the best possible quality audio. The device itself, as I say, is meant for portability as well as being installed into a fixed location. So we include a soft case, neoprene case, zip case that comes with, chuck it in your bag, and it's great to go with you when you're on the road. We've got a full range of LEDs on the top, so you can see on the front the power, the Bluetooth pairing. Power it on, hold the Bluetooth button down till it flashes, and then you can pair it up to your favorite device. When you're connected into your laptop to your UC client, we bring through all of the capabilities of the client through here. So you'll see this bar here, this LED bar. It changes color when I adjust the volume. When I pair it into a UC client, it will go red when I go on mute, and it will go green when I'm not on mute. And then again, the volume controls here are backlit as well. So really nice visual representation of what's happening on your phone. And again, you know if you're muted, you know if your audio is open. So a quick overview of the VoxBox, way more than an IP64 party trick. The VoxBox has some amazing audio capabilities, either on the go or in your meeting room. Now, for more information, check us out on polycom.com. Come into one of the centres and see it. I'd love to hear from you in the comments as to how you'd use it. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We've got great new content coming up all the time, and hit the bell icon if you want to get notifications on that. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.